Hey guys, here we are again. Today we're going to test here in Netherlands in EU how the autopilot works. Most of the times we will doing this on the highway. Yeah, that's what I want to show you. Let's begin this with put the display to auto to white. Maybe you can see more. Yes, you can see more. Settings are good. Okay. Yes. Let's go. Just put in drive and follow the way. Let's go chill mode. Yes, chill mode. Oh, I got the wrong way.
Sla linksaf om op kruis voor te blijven.
That's not good. Yes. Okay. Let's get the. Let's find the exit here, because I'm in the parking. Okay. Yes. Weather is not the best.
Ga de rotonde op en neem de tweede afslag.
But yeah, it's no rain. That's already good. Okay. Yes. Yeah, about the autopilot, I still don't have paid autopilot, just the basic what you get with every Tesla. Okay, that's better if she don't speak. It's just auto steer. Yeah, nothing special. It can drive on the highway. It can drive a bit in the cities. If you see here an icon, that mean is you're able to activate. I just tap double and it activates. I mean, I'm still in the city, but it works because yeah, good visibility, good lines. It will not stop on the red light. We got the red light, but it will not stop. I have to disengage. Yes, let's go. I activate again, and I can tap on the maximum speed, and then it will get it to the speed limit automatically. Yeah. You see, if it's a car in front of me, if it's a car in front of me, then it will stop alone. I do not doing nothing. It stops alone. You see the car, he stops alone. You can see here on the visualization, you see the lights, the traffic lights. Here they are. Yes, it works perfect. It's really good if you are in the traffic jam, because it drives alone. It follows the car in front of you. Without any problem. It's one of the best thing in my opinion. Okay, now I have to disengage because here we will go to the right and
neem de oprit A16 aan de rechterkant.
The turn he cannot do. Okay, let's get it on the highway. Here I could activate, but I don't doing that because the lane change he cannot do automatically. After 200 meters I will have to disengage again. Let's go behind this bus. Okay, safety and activate. Yes, it works perfect. It's the speed limit is 100 km/h and my setting is also 100 km/h, but he goes just 92 because the car in front of me drives with that speed. You can setting the distance. I have on 3. You can see the icon here. It's doing really well. You have to hold the steering wheel. You have to be aware, because it's just the beta. Isn't perfect, but it can doing really well what you need. Okay, let's change a lane. To change, if I want to change lane, then I just doing it, and it's disengage alone. But you have to activate again. Yes. It works really well. If you drive on autopilot, then the headlights settings is always on automatic. It means if you drive in the night, sometimes it's turning on automatically the high beam, and isn't work that good. Not always perfect. My experience is doing also in the city, and that's maybe something what I don't really want. I hope they will fix this with in a software update soon. Like this, you can see really good the visualization. You see what's going on around us. You see the cars. I just have to hold the steering wheel. You're doing everything. You see the cars. You see where we are. You see the distance in front of us. It works perfect on the highway. Let's check the tire settings. They are fine. Oops, you see, please pay attention to the road. If here is the camera, this camera watching me, and I have to watching the road. If I don't doing that, then it will disengage.
Over 2 kilometers, neem afslag A59 en de
This
rechterkant
girl
richting
still
Utrecht, Bouwdijk.
speaks to me. Yes, no, not anymore. Oops, sorry. Do not touch so often the display, because if you're doing that, then you will get you will be banned from autopilot. If you're doing this often, then it will close. It means you will have to take it over, and until your next stop, until you put it in park, you cannot use anymore autopilot. Yeah, and if you're doing that 5 times, then I guess you cannot use it for 15 days or something like that, and then after that you will get back the strikeouts. Yes. Okay. What can I tell you yet? I have some news. We got today a new camera. I'm not using it yet, but you can expect really spectacular and really good films, videos from now. I will have to learn how to setting. I need some equipment yet to put it on the window. Yeah, just subscribe, give me a like if you like this kind of videos, and yeah, hopefully I can show you some different way of recording this to live with EV. Okay, here I can activate also. It drives. I'm not anymore on the highway. Yeah, it's a way between one highway to the other one. Highway, freeway. Here in Netherlands you can drive just 100 most of times. You see, it's doing well. Stays between the lines. Follow the track. I give some. I will accelerate because I want to get front of this. You see. If you're changing lane, if you're not doing this like have to be, then it will be angry to you. It will beep and show you red lines, and it will be not happy. You see, he uses the blinker. That's what I didn't do last time. If you use the blinker, then it's not a problem. He will not beg into beeping. That he does, because yeah, if you not use blinker and you're going over the lines, then it thinks like, yeah, you didn't drive properly. Okay, yeah, we are on autopilot again. That you can see here from this blue icon. It's like a steering wheel. It's a funny icon. Yeah, you cannot see for sure. It's too small for you. It's a funny icon because this icon, if you turn the steering wheel, it turns like the steering wheel does. It's really fun. Okay. I will activate again. It's doing well. Okay, guys, as you can see here in the Netherlands, and actually this everywhere on the world, I can say, I'm not sure about, but I can say in every Teslas you have this. You can drive safety on the highway. You can use it in a traffic jam. It works perfect. Okay. I think that's gonna be for now. I will come soon with another video about how to use controller, how to connect the controller to your Tesla, because some people got an issue with it, because yeah, you got a lot of games what you can play on it, and you can use controller, but yeah, people don't know how, what kind of controller. I will speak about this next time. Be aware, subscribe, and see you. Ciao.